Hello students, we the maths teachers welcome you back to the e-learning program. Let us recall what was learned in the previous video. We learned equivalent fractions, finding equivalent fractions and checking for equivalence. Today we will learn about comparison of like fractions, comparison of unlike fractions and ordering fractions. Comparing fractions. There are two main ways to compare fractions. First one, comparison of like fractions. Second one, comparison of unlike fractions. Comparison of like fractions. Let us see the two strips of equal size. The first and the second strip is divided into 4 equal parts. In the first strip, 3 parts are shaded. In the second strip, 2 parts are shaded. The shaded part of the first strip is 3 by 4. The shaded part of the second strip is 2 by 4. The fraction with the greater part shaded is the greater fraction. Therefore, 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. Let us take another fractions having the same denominator. The fractions with the greater part shaded is the greater fraction. Therefore, 5 by 6 is the greater fraction. Hence, 2 by 6 is smaller than 5 by 6. Thus, in case of like fractions, the fraction having the greater numerator is greater. Comparison of unlike fractions. There are 3 methods. Comparing fractions having the same numerator, converting unlike into like fractions, comparison by cross multiplication. Comparing fractions having the same numerator. Let us consider two unlike fractions with same numerator. In 1 by 3, the whole is divided into 3 equal parts, and in 1 by 4, the whole is divided into 4 equal parts. Therefore, the shaded equal part in 1 by 3 is greater than the shaded part in 1 by 4. Thus, 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Now, let us take another example. 2 by 4 and 2 by 8. Compare the shaded part of two fractions. The shaded portion of the first rectangular figure is greater than the shaded part of the second rectangular figure. Hence, 2 by 4 is greater than 2 by 8. Thus, in case of unlike fractions having same numerator, the fraction having greater denominator is the smaller. Now, we are going to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. Then, we will compare the resulting fractions. Example 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. We can convert unlike into like fractions by making denominators same. We find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Since 3 and 5 have no common factors, the LCM will be their product. Hence, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So, 2 by 3, that is equal to 2 into 5 by 3 into 5, that is equal to 10 by 15. And 3 by 5, that is equal to 3 into 3 by 5 into 3, that is equal to 9 by 15. Now, the given fractions are like fractions having the same denominator 15. On comparing the numerators, Since 10 is greater than 9, 10 by 15 is greater than 9 by 15, or 2 by 3 is greater than 3 by 5. Comparing fractions using cross multiplication or comparison by cross multiplication. In this method, we cross multiply the two fractions. The side with a greater product is greater. Example, 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. We cross multiply the two fractions. 2 into 4, that is equal to 8, and 3 into 1, that is equal to 3. As 8 is greater than 3, 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Compare 2 by 3 and 5 by 8. We cross multiply the two fractions. 2 into 8 is 16 and 5 into 3 is 15. As 16 is greater than 15, 2 by 3 is greater than 5 by 8. Let us take another example, 5 by 6 and 8 by 10. We cross multiply the two fractions. 5 into 10 is equal to 50 and 6 into 8 is equal to 48. As 50 is greater than 48, 5 by 6 is greater than 8 by 10. Ordering fractions. Arrange the following fractions in ascending order: 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 3 by 6. As the denominators are same, the given fractions are like fractions. We compare the numerators of such fractions. The fraction with the greater numerator is greater. On comparing the numerators, we find the ascending order of the given fraction is 3 by 6, 4 by 6 and 5 by 6. Arrange the following in ascending order: 1 by 4, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. As the numerators are same, we compare the denominators. The given fractions are unlike fractions. Fraction with the larger denominator is smaller. The ascending order of the given fractions is 1 by 5, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. Now, we are going to learn comparison of unlike fractions by converting into like fractions. Arrange the following in descending order: 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21. These are unlike fractions. Find the LCM of the denominators by prime factorization method. The prime factors of 9 is 3 into 3. The prime factors of 3 is 3. The prime factors of 21 is 3 into 7. By multiplying the common factor and the remaining prime factors, we get the LCM 3 into 3 into 7, that is equal to 63. Now we will find equivalent fractions with denominator 63. 2 by 9, that is equal to 2 by 9 into 7 by 7, that is equal to 2 times 7 gives 14. 9 times 7 gives 63. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 into 21 by 21, that is equal to 2 times 21 is 42. 3 times 21 is 63. 8 by 21, that is equal to 8 by 21 into 3 by 3, that is equal to 8 times 3 gives 24. 21 times 3 gives 63. Compare the numerators and write the fractions in descending order: 42 by 63, 24 by 63, 14 by 63, that is 2 by 3, 8 by 21 and 2 by 9. Home assignment. Children, hope you are completing the home assignment which was sent in the previous PDF file. Today's home assignment will be sent in the PDF file. Thank you.